Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm Zulkarnain Ali and you are watching the channel ZQ Tech. Friends, you know that China is giving tough time to USA to become world's #1 superpower any day ahead. Recently, China has achieved a splendid landmark in the stealth technology. They have beaten USA in this technology that USA can't imagine. So what's the stealth technology and how China has won this technological race against USA? Let's start the video. Stealth means to make something concealed, hidden, secret, or invisible. By definition, the technology used by any country in their naval ships, submarine, fighter jets, tanks to make them invisible against the radar detection of opponent country. This is known as stealth technology. Chinese scientists have achieved an amazing advancement in the field of stealth technology, and they have produced a magnificent matter. If this matter can be attached to the outer surface of fighter jet, tank or naval ship, they become invisible against the radar waves. From the reference of Institute of Optics and Electronics Sichuan, China, a lot of research had been going on in the recent years to make the stealth technology more workable and powerful. Professor Lu Jianigang and his colleagues have made a cheap and very light matter which has ability to absorb any kind of radar waves and can be manufactured on the large scale. This matter is called metamembrane or metasurface. If the fighter jet, tank or naval ship is covered with this membrane, then they can absorb waves coming from the opponent radar. Consequently, they become undetectable. So far now, all the materials which are used to make fighter jets, naval ships stealthy, all are expensive and heavyweight, and on the other hand, they can absorb a limited range of radar waves. For example, if the enemy radar is working at a high frequency or working at different frequencies at a time to keep an eye on the naval ship or fighter jet, then these radar waves will strike on the stealthy naval ship or fighter jet, and then these radar waves will revert back due to the coding has done on the naval ship or fighter jet. And in this way, the naval ship or fighter jet will be visible on the opponent's radar screen. So, to get rid of this weakness of stealth technology, Chinese made metamembrane which can absorb almost all the radar waves from 0.3 GHz to 40 GHz can be employed. And consequently, the naval ship, tank or fighter jet become invisible from radar detection. After this splendid success, Chinese authority intended to manufacture this metamembrane on large scale. This membrane will specifically apply on the fighter jets to observe that how much pressure and temperature the membrane could bear. Another important thing, radar waves are electromagnetic waves. Chinese professor Lu Jianigang and his colleagues has worked on the behavior of electromagnetic waves and presented the most precise and most reliable mathematical model for the first time in world's history. In this model, a secret microscopic pattern is sketched on the surface of small piece of metal. Electromagnetic waves are allowed to strike on the surface of metal and observe the dispersion effect of electromagnetic waves. On the basis of this phenomena, a material is made. This material is known as metamembrane or metasurface. You are thinking that how does the fighter jets, naval ships working nowadays behave against the radar waves striking them? So you must have solid knowledge about this. The outer body structure of naval ship and fighter jet is made by joining different size plates at certain angles. So by this, the advantage we get is the electromagnetic waves after striking will get dispersed in all the directions and would not return to the source radar as much as they can. Today's naval ship and fighter jets can absorb the radar waves from 4 to 18 GHz. You will be amazed to hear that with the metamembrane covering, this ability will increase from 0.3 to 40 GHz. With the innovation of metamembrane, China has beaten all the countries and proved its worth in the stealth technology. If you like my video, you can subscribe to this channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.